Hello everyone, my name is An. So this is my response to the assignment in Modern 3 in the technology mini course. So the question is, how can instructional technology be used to promote 21st century skills? So what I'm going to do is to explain the definition of instructional technologies and the 21st century skills. So what is the instructional technologies? According to Learn.org, it is the use of technological resources to facilitate learning and improve performance. That sounds interesting to learn about. So about the 21st century skills, according to P21.org, 21st century skills include skills and abilities that are required for success in 21st century society. So there are many terms and definitions for 21st century skills, but what I'm going to focus on are critical and creative thinking and collaborations. I'm going to tell more about the relation between them and how they related to each other, which is the relationship, and the benefits, which is what I'm looking for to answer the initial questions. So, with the assistance of internet research, virtual manipulatives, and multimedia resources, students of 21st classroom are now able to explore and answer questions. For example, instead of beginning a lesson on derivative and differentiation by just listening to a lecture or looking at examples on the board in calculus class, a senior student might use GeoGebra or decimals or MATLAB to see and understand better the rate of change and concavity of a function. They might even take it a step further to discover and develop steps for graphing various functions like monopolynomial and quadratic radical functions. The most important thing is that the students have an opportunity to explore as a real mathematicians because they try to understand, analyze, and evaluate their experience to answer the posed questions. What I'm trying to say is that such activities with the use of graphic tools give students real-world problem-solving experience and ownership over their learning. One of the best things that these technology applications can offer is that they help students bring their observations into a later on discussion or a creation activities, which is the second import of instructional technology I want to talk about. With the help of multimedia resources, students can learn to create videos, animation, and presentations, and these are indeed active learning. They get hands-on experience and engage with digital tools. They motivate themselves through project and technology-based learning. And the last and most important thing I want to say is how technology produces a community of collaborations. If students can work in group to create visual things or have an opportunity to explain, express, or share with each other their technical perspectives about what they have learned from using media tools, that's when cooperative learning happens. So altogether, I believe that critical and creative thinking together with collaborations are two of the most advantages that instructional technology can help produce.